How to fix Last of Us Part 1 controller gamepad not working on PC. 1. Reboot your PC. 2. Disconnect other input devices in your system. 3. Check controller. Connection. 4. Disable the Steam input. 5. Use your own controller in Steam General Controller Settings. 6. Launch the game. Through Steam Big Picture Mode. 7. 4 for PlayStation controller users, download and run the ReWASD app at https://www.revosd.com on your console. 8. For Xbox controller. Players, use the Xbox Accessories app instead.